So Kevin Durant finally gave us his thoughts on the Paul George trade to the Thunder. I mean, KD, better late than never. So Kevin Durant said, I think Paul George is so good, a lot of people disrespect him because I play against him and I respect my position. So that was shocking because Indiana just gave him away, and I didn't think OKC would even think about giving up anything to trade for him. I didn't think they would do it, but that was a ballsy move. Yes, KD, that was a ballsy move, just like when you decided to leave the Thunder and join the Warriors, that was a ballsy move. Well, was that a ballsy move or was that just a snake move? I mean, I really don't know. I mean, Kevin Durant's finally giving us his thoughts on the trade now. I mean, KD, better late than never because it took him 9 years to leave the Thunder and join the Warriors. So obviously Kevin Durant said he was shocked by the Pacers trading Paul George to the Thunder. I mean, KD, if you were shocked by that, I mean, we were shocked by you leaving the Thunder to join the Warriors. This ain't nothing. But anyway, I mean, a lot of teams wanted Paul George, even the Cavs wanted Paul George. And did you guys remember the Pacers even tried to send Paul George to the Warriors for Klay Thompson, and the Warriors rejected the trade? But now, reportedly, the Warriors still want Paul George when he's a free agent. They're gonna try to land Paul George next summer. But you guys get in the comment section and tell me what you think, and I'm out.